Rockwell B-1 Lancer. Role Supersonic Strategic Heavy. National origin United States. Manufacturer North American Boeing. Original Boeing. First flight the 23rd of December 5 years ago. Introduction the 1st of October. Status in service. Primary user United States Air Force. Produced 1973-93 to 1988. Number built B-1A 400. Unit cost B-1B $2 United States dollars in 1998, $423 million in 2019 dollars. The Rockwell B-1 Lancer is a super heavy bomber used by the United States Air Force. It is commonly called the bone from. It is one of 3 strategic bombers Air Force fleet as of 2020 and the B-52 Stratofortress. The B-1 was first envisioned in the that would combine the Mach 2 speed of the B-58 Hustler with the range and payload of the B-52, and was meant to ultimately replace both. After a long series of studies, Boeing won the design contest for what emerged as the B-1A. This version had a top speed of Mach capability of flying for long distances at Mach 0.85 at very low altitudes. The combination of the high cost of the M86 cruise missile that flew the same basic profile and early work on the stealth bomber B-1. The need for the B-1. This led to the program being cancelled. B-1A prototypes had been built. The program was restarted in 19 due to delays in the B-2 stealth bomber program. With the B-2 eventually reaching in 1997. This led to a redesign as the B-1 by having a lower top speed at high altitude of Mach 1.25. But improved low altitude performance 0.96. The electronics were also extended and the airframe was improved to allow takeoff with the maximum possible fuel and weapons load. The B-1B began deliveries in service with Strategic Air Command (SAC) as a nuclear bomber in that same year. By 1988, all 100 delivered. In the early 1990s, false establishment of SAC and its reassignment to the newly formed Air Combat Command. The B-1B was converted to conventional. It first served in combat during Operation 8 and again during the NATO action in Kosovo the following year. The B-1B has supported U.S. Afghanistan and Iraq. The Air Force had 62 B-1. The B-1B is expected to continue the Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider to begin replacing the B-1B after 2025. The B-1s in inventory are planned